Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll cover an important lesson, that is F.13, and I'm going to this transaction straight away. Now telling you the background of this transaction. As the name suggests, it is nothing but clearing all the accounts automatically. Now this stands for the automatic clearing. So once you will be trying for the automatic clearing, you will be trying the transaction F.13. Now the question may arise in your mind that what kind of clearing it will be. Will it be vendor clearing? Will it be customer clearing? Will it be GL clearing? Then the answer is, this transaction allows you to clear all. As see, there are parameters like select customer, means you can clear your customers. Select vendors means you can clear your vendors. Select special GL transaction means you can clear your special GLs here. Select GL accounts means you can clear your GL accounts here. So this transaction is the automatic clearing for all the customers, vendors and GL. So it's your choice what will you clear. Now I'll show you this transaction and I'll show you the GL clearing here. I'll select the GL accounts here. Now you can select the customer, you can select the vendor depending upon your wish, and the process would be same. So I'm selecting GL here, and I'll show you the process how to clear, and this process is applicable for the vendors and customers as well. Now I'll tick all these on, and firstly I'm running this in test run mode. I'll be taking the clearing date off. Now going up, see here I only have given my company code, but you can give your fiscal year and all these things, posting date based on your requirement, based on your wish. Now I am executing the transaction. It is executed. Now coming down, scrolling down a bit, see here SAP is suggesting what all you can clear, and see these two are coming in green, means these are ready to be cleared. Now the question may arise, see 300 is plus, 300 is minus, means in 6002 document number, item number 2 means GL number 2 has a 300 debit balance, and the same item is having a credit balance with the same amount in document number 6004. That means the GL item exists in item number 2 is will be cleared with document number 6002 and document number 6004 with the same amount. So it is ready to be cleared. Now SAP is giving me the green option based on what? Based on obviously the amount, and based on and majorly based on the assignment number. Why will we use the automatic clearing transaction? We can use the individual clearing transaction, we can use the F.32 clearing for customer, F.44 clearing for vendors, and there is another clearing transaction right now I don't remember, that is for GL. So we can use them while clearing the accounts. Then why will we use F.13? Because it is automatic clearing. And in which sense it is automatic is SAP will suggest you, SAP itself will suggest you, and SAP itself will be giving you the green signal against those items which all are ready to be cleared based on the assignment number. See, SAP has segregated the items based on the SAP assignment numbers. As you can see, this combination is also based on the assignment number, this combination is also based on the assignment number, this combination is also based on the assignment number. Likewise, SAP has given the set of documents which all are same based on the assignment numbers. Now it is only showing you the green signal wherein the amount is matching. 300 is matching. 300 is 300 has a debit balance here and 300 has a credit balance here. Hence SAP is showing you this combination with a green color, means it is ready to go. If you take the test run off and if you run it in actual mode, then it will be cleared. So SAP has segregated like that. Now SAP has not given green signal here. Why? The reason being, this combination of two documents are coming in based on the assignment number, that is true, but one is having 200 credit balance, another one is having 100 debit balance, means finally it is having 100 balance, so it cannot be cleared. However, in this case, see, in document number 6002 it is having 300 debit balance, and document number 6004 it is having 300 credit balance. Finally it has 0 balance, so it is ready to be cleared. So based on this mechanism only, SAP has provided you the green signal. So it is nothing but automatic. Why? The reason being, in our normal clearing F.32 or F.44, we need to check that which all can be cleared against which all items. Here you need not to do this brainstorming. SAP itself will be offering you those combinations which you yourself can, I mean you at a first look you can know that these all can be cleared with these combinations, and once you take the test run off, these themselves will be cleared. So that is why it is the automatic clearing. So I hope this much is clear. Now I am coming back. I am satisfied with the combination of account it has shown. Now what will I do? I'll just take the test run off and I'll run this in actual mode. I am taking the test run off and I am executing it once again. It is giving me the warning that it is running in production, and I am agreeing with this, so I am pressing enter. Now again I need to come down a bit. I need to scroll down. There, see this one, SAP, this one are the two items again which SAP has shown us the green signal. See, 300, and the same has got cleared here. The clearing document is 62, that is also been shown. Initially it was showing the clearing dates and document number and amount which I agreed to clear, and once I take the test run off and I executed in production mode, it is showing me the document number, means it is cleared. Against this document it is cleared. So this is the overall theory of F.13 automatically clearing. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll come up with my next video in next few days. So till then, keep watching the channel and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.